my name is Rebecca, never Becky, and today I'm talking about mood changes, like a mood ring, you know? So I feel like with all that is going on in the world, I can't lie, my mood is always changing. Sometimes I'm sad, sometimes I'm mad, sometimes I'm happy, and then sometimes I'm just literally sad. And I have to find new outlets for me, so I don't just sit in my house on top of quarantine. I don't just sit here and fester. I feel like it's very important that you guys do the same. Find new hobbies, new activities, get involved in something that you can just be more active and your mind is not staying on negative things. So not to hold you guys up any longer, that's what this is gonna be about. And if that's not your mood today, there's other videos that you can check out. Okay guys, I'm gonna go ahead and get started with my Jaclyn Hill palette, my little beautiful little OG. I'm gonna start off by neutralizing my eyelid color to neutralize my brow area, which is right here. And you know, since we're talking about moods, guys, you know, with everything that's going on in the world, it is really hard to have a happy medium with your feelings. So what I'm gonna go ahead and do is just kind of express myself through my eyeshadow today, you know? It's my way of outlet, it's my happy place. This is something I can do and not think. I don't have to worry about anything, and I can also express myself. I feel like with colors, it's like a mood ring. It's like, you know, it makes sense. It's like, okay, what mood are you in? Your temperature is gonna change, right? And that's what get mood rings changing, at least I think that's how that goes. You put on the ring, your temperature changes, and so that mood ring changes, and I feel like makeup is that as well for me. So it's kind of like a mood ring, you know? I'm gonna go ahead and again, still keep applying this neutral color. It's no color really, but it does help, you know, other colors to not blend into your brow. So this is why for me, it's very important to make sure that you have a base color that has no pigment, that is just literally that, a base color. It just is meant to blend in. So when you start putting on loud colors, your brows won't be affected. I'm gonna go ahead and move on, guys. Okay guys, so since we're talking about moods, I wanna go ahead and start with purple. I feel like because my mood is a little everywhere, I feel like purple is a good middle mood. It's not blue, it's not pink, it's just purple, which is also, again guys, if you don't know, purple is one of my favorite freaking colors, so it's so easy to choose this one. So I'm gonna go ahead and get started with this beautiful purple that won't stop looking me in the face. It's like, come on, hurry up and apply me. I'm gonna go ahead and start with the James Charles palette, guys. I kid you. I'm gonna go ahead and start with my Jaclyn Hill 2 palette. I'm gonna take this intense, if you guys can see this intense purple, and I'm gonna add it actually just in the tear duct of my eye. I'm not gonna start on the outer of my eye. I'm just gonna start right here where you guys can see me in the middle. And it's a little dark, but I like it. I want it this dark, you know? We're gonna brighten her up a little bit. But while I'm doing this, I just wanna touch on the fact that, you know, where we're at in the world is just really sad, and I hope that we can get in a better place all together as one, not just, you know, one person or one race or another. I just really hope we can all, as, you know, a unit, we can all just find peace. And, you know, if you haven't checked on your mental, check on your mental state. I feel like that's very important. I don't know why I feel the need to tell you guys, but just make sure that you're checking on your mental state. I will leave the rest up to you guys. You know, I'm no therapist here. I just feel like it's necessary to tell people, like, it's okay that you're not okay. I'm not okay. I know I am pushing myself to just do more activities to keep my mind off of a lot of things all the time. It's not to say I want to black it out, but I just want to make sure my mind and my mental health is fine. And so I am keeping myself busy. And that may not be the healthy thing for me to do. Maybe I need to sit down and deal with my feelings a little bit better. But right now, this is what works for me. So this is what I'm doing. And it's a good way for me to express my feelings through makeup, you know. I feel like makeup is the most beautifulest thing because you can change your mood. You can change the way you can look. You know, you may be angry, and literally sometimes you are just too pretty to look angry. And I hate it when people say it as much as the next person, but I've also have seen some pretty people like, girl, just relax your face. You're so pretty, you know? So I just hope that this can encourage you guys to think about it too, you know? I'm gonna go ahead and move on, and we're just gonna actually blend this color out just right there. We're not gonna move this color any more than where it's at. We're gonna brighten her up a little bit, but we're not moving this color too much, okay? But that's all we're gonna do. All right, guys, so you can see that I smudged it out underneath the eye. As you can see, it's more intense in the middle of my eye. I'm sure you guys are like, whoa, but it's okay. We're gonna keep going. Bear with me, right? So I'm gonna go ahead and now take this beautiful blue. It's like metallic. It looks like blue and it looks like purple, and it's so pretty. I'm gonna go ahead and dampen my brush. You guys know I love my Old Faithful. Been using her for a while. She has really good brushes. She stays. So as you guys can see, it is morphing into this really pretty color. And I can't lie, guys, I've been staring at this color since I got this James Charles palette, and I just couldn't wait to get my hands on it. Guys, like this color alone, oh my gosh, I don't even know what to do with myself. Like, she's making me happy, and that's what makeup's supposed to do. It's supposed to make you feel proud and happy that you achieved it, and I'm happy. I'm so happy this is turning out so good. Can you guys see this? Are you guys watching me? I mean, it is beautiful. It's not just beautiful, it's beautiful. This is so pretty. I can't. I really, really can't. I love it. I love it, love it, love it. So right now, what you're watching me do now is I'm just fading out these lines at the end, because I want it to seem like it like blew into my eyes, right? And I'm trying to get it out, right? Because that's the look. No? Okay, well, it's my look. Okay, it's my look. This is what I want it to look like, so that's what I'm doing. I'm just basically making it kind of disappear into the outer of my lid by making sure that the color is still there, but it's just not as intense, you know, not cray. It's intense, but it's not crazy looking. So I'm gonna go ahead back in with this one, and I'm going to just make sure that this isn't going anywhere, that this color still looks good, making sure all my edges are sharp right now, and I think I'm pretty happy. Okay guys, so you can see that I went ahead and I added my lashes. I did use some bronzer. I haven't put on blush yet. I'm going to go in with Limbo from ColourPop, and I'm going to just put brown on the lips. You know, I would have done another color, but I like brown, so I'm gonna do brown. And I did line my lips with Chestnut from MAC, so that's what's on my lip. And Limbo is on next. I really like Limbo. Even though I do like to mix my browns, Limbo really does something for me. I've always liked Limbo, even though I don't always feel like it's dark enough, but now that I'm a blonde, I feel like now it works for me. So I'm gonna go ahead and finish this lip. And then I'm gonna move on to my highlighter, which I don't know which highlighter I should use. I feel like I wanna use my multi, you know, my diamond glitter from Too Faced, but I'm kinda a little over it too. I don't know if you guys heard anything I said. I'm talking with my mouth open, trying to apply this lipstick. Okay, I'm done. Okay, no guys, so I'm gonna go in with this right here, this highlighter, and I'm going to now deck out my cheeks so you guys can see it. She's really pretty on, and I love this highlighter. I swear I'm addicted. So you guys may see me use it in like 6 more videos, because clearly I have a problem with my Too Faced Diamond. She just does it for me. I can't explain this, but it's just so worth buying. If you haven't bought this, go get it. It is really pretty. Again, I really love it. I can't help it. Like, I'm addicted, guys. Okay, guys, I'm just really loving this look overall, but I do want to talk about what I was saying earlier, and that is just make sure that your mental health is being taken care of. you know, if you need to find new outlets, don't be ashamed to find new outlets, and try to keep your mind occupied on not on the negative things that's in this world. Try to think of the good things and make sure that you're mentally okay. You know, check on your friends, check on everybody that's around you. You never know what someone is going through or what their mental state is. So I just want to leave those words with you guys, and I appreciate you guys so much for watching and being loyal to me. You do not have to be, and you come back every time, and it brings me joy. Thank you guys so very much, and I will see you guys in my next video.